Magluluto po kami ng Okonomiyaki. So ito yung mga ingredients sa Okonomiyaki na gagawin namin. 1/2 cup flour, 1/2 cup water, 2 eggs, fish flakes, Japanese mayo or mayonnaise, Okonomiyaki sauce, Okonomiyaki flour, cabbage, and powdered garlic, powdered onion, black pepper, onion salt. We mix it together to make a seasoning, and we put it in the shrimp, and we got sibuyas bombay or scallions. Okay, we're mixing it now. So put the flour into the bowl and crack 2 eggs. And mix it to the Okonomiyaki flour and put 1/2 cup of water and mix it all together. Mix well. It's gonna be good.
Maybe this is good enough now?
Good enough. And we put the shredded cabbage into the mixture and scallions. And we mix it again. Oh wow.
Actually, this is it. Oops, sorry. This is 2 servings, so
2 servings. Oh, okay. See, we make 2 servings only. Oh my god. So this is how you cook the Okonomiyaki.
It's on a kind of non-stick, non-stick.
It's on a non-stick pan, but we sprayed it with the pan spray so that it won't stick. Although we have the non-stick pan, we still put the non-stick spray. Oh, looks good, lalab. I bet that it will taste good. So babalikan ko lang kayo sandali lang ha, kasi it takes a while for this to cook. And then we'll put the shrimp on top, and then after that we flip it. So now we'll put the shrimp. So you can put pork,
Anything, yeah.
anything,
Pork belly or
belly, bacon. Can I put bacon?
I think anything will work.
Oh, so
This is
like
anything.
do it your own.
Whatever you like. Sa ato lang kay shrimp because we're trying to stay away from meat.
Yeah, shrimp is good. Wow. Sarap. Now the shrimp is on top. So in a while we will flip it.
Okay, the honey pie will try to flip it.
Flip it?
Flip!
Okay, 1, 2.
Oh, sugoy, oh!
Sugoy!
Sugoy! Now
nata isuma.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator.